Hello everyone, welcome to SP English Talk. I am Jack. Today's topic is not motivational, it is practical. It is about your future. Why English fluency is a career skill in 2026. Not hobby, not status symbol, not social pressure. Career skill. Manya, imagine this. It is 2026. You're sitting in front of your laptop. You have an online interview. The interviewer is from Germany. The HR is from Singapore. The team lead is from India. What is the common language?
English.
Exactly. The world is not local anymore. Audience question. Do you think competition in 2026 will increase? Comment. Yes, competition is increasing. In 2026, remote jobs are normal. Freelancing is common. AI tools are everywhere. International hiring is easy. Companies don't hire only locally. They hire globally. You are not competing with 100 people. You are competing with thousands. If your communication is weak, your opportunity becomes weak.
Jack, but people say skill matters more.
Yes, skill is important, but communication presents the skill. Imagine this. You know coding very well. You built a great project. But in interview, you say, Sir, I do project good. Database, what will interviewer think? Confidence drops. Now imagine another candidate. Not perfect, but speaks clearly. I built a web application using React and Node.js. The main challenge was database optimization, and I solved it by improving query indexing. Clear communication creates trust. Trust creates opportunity. Now, let me tell you a real story. This is about Rahul. Rahul was from a small town. Very intelligent in technical skills, but weak in English speaking. In 2022, he applied for jobs. He failed many interviews. Not because he lacked skill, but because he couldn't explain confidently. He decided to change. He started 20 minutes daily speaking, mock interview practice, recording himself, watching professional English content. For 6 months, slow improvement. In 2024, he applied again. This time, he explained projects clearly. He was selected in a multinational company. In 2026, he is working remotely with international clients. Same Rahul, same brain. Only difference, fluency. Audience question. Do you relate to Rahul's Puri? Comment. I am Rahul.
In 2026, AI tools like ChatGPT, automation platforms, coding assistants, most operate in English. Documentation is in English. Global tech discussions are in English. If you understand English fluently, you learn faster, you adapt faster, you grow faster. Language speed is equal to learning speed. Now let's do something practical. Manya will act as candidate, I will act as an interviewer. Listen carefully.
Tell me about yourself.
Weak version. Myself Manya. I am hardworking girl. I do computer science. I want job in your company.
Okay. Now, improved version.
My name is Manya. I recently completed my degree in computer science. I enjoy solving technical problems and building small web applications. I am currently improving my communication skills to grow professionally.
See the difference? Clarity, structure, confidence. Next question. What are your strengths?
I am dedicated and I learn quickly. I also work well in a team environment.
Simple, clear. Now audience question. Are you practicing interview answers or waiting for interview day? Comment. Practicing or not practicing? Getting a job is first step. Growth needs communication. In 2026, leaders must present ideas.
LinkedIn in 2026 is powerful. Global webinars, online communities, international collaboration. If you speak confidently, you build global network. Network equals to opportunities, opportunities equal to growth. Handle global meetings, explain strategies, manage diverse teams. Fluency builds authority. Even small hesitation reduces impact.
In 2026, personal branding matters. If you create content, if you speak in webinars, if you attend interviews, English fluency increases visibility. Visibility increases career growth. Now, practical action plan. Next 90 days, daily 30 minutes. 10 minutes listening, professional content. 10 minutes speaking, career topics. 5 minutes reading business articles. 5 minutes thinking in English. Weekly, 1 mock interview practice. 1 professional topic presentation. After 3 months, you see difference.
Yes, Manya. And in 2026, technical skills are common. Communication skill is rare. Rare skills get higher value. English fluency is not luxury, it is leverage.
Jack, now I understand. English fluency in 2026 is not about impressing people. It is about preparing for the future.
Exactly.
If you prepare now, 2026 becomes easier. If you delay now, 2026 becomes stressful. Choice is yours. Comment below, what is your 2026 career goal? Software developer, entrepreneur, remote worker, or corporate job? And rate your English fluency from 1 to 10. Be honest.
English fluency in 2026 is career skill, growth skill, leadership skill, survival skill. Start now. Don't wait for rejection to wake up.
And this was SP English Talk. See you in the next episode.